Minister Hardeep Singh Puri. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tingsong on Monday said the department will order an inquiry into Sunday's incident at Umsyiem near Govt in East Khasi Hills, where a clash broke out between residents of Umsyiem and BSF personnel, leading to a scuffle, followed by stone pelting besides firing of 4 rounds in the air. 4 persons, including 2 BSF personnel and 2 civilians, were injured in the melee. The injured were taken to the Govt PHC and were discharged last night, Tingsong, who holds the home portfolio, said. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the injuries sustained by the individuals were not bullet wounds but minor injuries. Reacting to a query on incidents of the residents and BSF clash, Director General of Police L.R. Bishnoi said that many a time a misconception was created among the BSF when the BSF seizes products or arrests someone, with rumors of innocent people being arrested during the rounds.
Of umbrella you want? Tell me. Which one you want? I'll do it whatever you want. The situation is cool, calm. There is so much tension. I've already instructed SP, and now we are also waiting for the FIR.
There was 4 rounds were fired in the air. I repeat, 4 rounds were fired in the air, not at the individuals, but in the stone pelting there was some commotion that took place. There were slight injuries to certain individuals, but it's not because of the bullet or not because of any action from the side, but we are still inquiring into the matter.
Sometimes misperception is created and the people are under impression that innocent persons are arrested. So that is why sometimes they start pelting stones or deriving the BSF party, etc.